सो हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं क्लास 6 साइंस असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4A सेम सेमेस्टर 2। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन डिटेल। चैप्टर नंबर 9, नंबर 1, state the adaptation of a camel as a desert animal. Camel has undergone the following adaptations in order to become fit to live in desert. Camel have long leg and broad sole which help to survive their body from the heat of the sand. Their hoofs are soft so they can walk easily on sand. Second, they do not sweat, they excrete small amount of urine. Their dung is dry. Camel lose very little water from their bodies. Third, they can live many days without food. Second number, state the adaptation of fish as an aquatic animal. The adaptation of a fish as an aquatic animal are as follows. Number 1, the head and tail of the fish are smaller than the middle portion of the body and the body tapers at both ends. This body shape is called streamlined shape. It's such that water can flow around it easily and allow the fish to move in water. Second number, fish have slippery scales on their bodies that protect the fish. Third, gills are present in the fish, help them to use oxygen in water. Third number, state the adaptation of a desert plant. The adaptation of plants that grow in desert are follows. Number 1, desert plants have well developed roots that go very deep into the soil for absorbing water. Second number, the leaves in desert plants are very small, less in number, or they are transformed into spines. This helps in reducing loss of water during transpiration. Third number, the spines in desert plant protect them from animal. Fourth number, state the adaptation of aquatic plant. The adaptation of aquatic plant are as follows. Number 1, in aquatic plant, roots are much reduced in size and their main function is to hold the plant in place. Second, the stem of these plants are long, hollow and light. The stem grows up to the surface of water. Third, the leaves and flower of this plant float on the surface of the water. Chapter number 10 to 14. Number 1, what do you mean by measurement? Explain. Measurement is the comparison of an unknown quantity with a known fixed quantity, or measurement is the assignment of a number to a characteristic of an object with other objects or events. Second, how will you measure the length of a bent iron rod? A meter scale cannot be used to measure by the help of a bent iron rod. It is measured by the help of a thread. Hold one end of the thread at one end of the rod and then keep moving the thread along the length of the rod. Make a mark on the portion of thread which comes near the other end of the rod. Now measure the length of the thread from the end to the mark. Describe the method. Third number, describe the method to construct a pinhole camera. The method to construct a pinhole camera is as follows. Number 1, take 2 boxes so that one can slide into another with no gap between them. Second, cut open side of each box. Third, on the opposite face of the larger box, a square with a side about 5 to 6 centimeter. Fifth number, cover this open square in the box in tracing paper. Sixth number, slide the smaller box inside the one with the hole. The slide with the tracing paper is inside your pinhole camera. It's ready. Fourth number, where do we use electricity in our lives? People use electricity for lighting, heating, cooling and refrigerator, and for computer, electronics, machinery and public transportation system. Fifth number, draw a neat and labeled diagram of an electric cell. Describe it in short. An electric cell consists of cylindrical pot which covered by a thick paper sheet. It consists of 2 terminals of the electric cell. The production of electric current takes place due to the chemical reaction inside the cell. The chemicals are present between the outermost covering of the cell and carbon rod. 6. Prepare simple circuit and explain it with the help of a diagram. A circuit made by joining both the terminal of a cell to both the terminal of a bulb by the help of two electric wire is called simple circuit. Circuit when all the components of the circuit are connected to each other. The circuit gets completed and bulb glow if the wire from the terminal of any one, the electric cell or the bulb each detached, the circuit become open, so the bulb stop glowing. 7 number, how will you make magnet from an iron strip? The iron strip can be converted into a magnet by touch and stroke method. For this, a bar magnet is moved along the length of the iron strip. Thus, the bar magnet is lifted from the other end and brought to the starting point again. With the same pole of the bar magnet, it's moved back. 8 number, write short note, rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting can be defined as the collection and storage of rainwater by using the various techniques. Rainwater is collected in various industries, colleges, schools and in farm. The main aim of rainwater harvesting is to store the water and can use the water when needed. तो इसी के साथ आपका 4A फिनिश होता है. 4B से हम नेक्स्ट पार्ट में करने वाले हैं. अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगे इसे लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर करिए. बनता है वीडियो में जय हिंद जय भारत.